morning, first graders. Today for writing, you will be adding more to your story. And last week we talked about how we could add feelings, thoughts, and dialogue. And that's exactly what you will be doing today. So we already added dialogue yesterday. So we're not really going to focus on the dialogue, and you definitely don't want that much dialogue in your story. So I think we're okay with dialogue. So really what we're looking for is feelings and thoughts. And so you are going to go back in your writing and see if you have those two things. And I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to look for feelings. Let's see, I'm going to go to my beginning. I'm going to look it over. Oh, a little nervous is a feeling. I'm just going to make it blue. Let's see, any feelings in my middle? Nothing in my middle. Oh, Melissa was happy. Another feeling. Okay. I think I have two spots for feelings, so that's good so far. And then now I'm going to look for thoughts. I don't think I put any thoughts as I was writing it. So I'm going to look for a good spot. Oh, I think I'm going to put a thought right here. So I wrote, she rolled out her sleeping bag. She then looked through her bag to pull out her stuffed bunny. And suddenly she realized that her bunny wasn't in her bag. She thought she packed it. Oh no, cried Melissa. What's wrong? And so there's my thought. And maybe I'll make it a different color. Let's make it green. There's my thought. So I was able to add feelings. I actually already had the feelings. I definitely had the dialogue, but I noticed I did not have a thought. So I added one there. And so the next thing that you can do after making sure you have feelings, thoughts, and your dialogue, you can always go back and add more to your pictures. Maybe in this picture, I could add more details. I can add the sun, the tree. I can even add Jen and her mom waiting at the door for her. In this picture, it looks like I have a lot of things in this one. But maybe I could add more details to my last picture. And so that is something you can add. So, like I said, today's assignment, you are going to go back to your writing and double check that you have feelings, thoughts, and dialogue. And you can use a different crayon or colored pencil to underline it. Just be very careful because you want to make sure I can still read your writing. And then when you're done, you are able to add more pictures in your sketches. You can add more details to it. All right, first graders, I can't wait to read it.